As you can see, there are some almonds missing on some bars. I thought I had more almonds. Turns out they weren't almonds, they were pecans. So there was nothing I could do about it, and I wasn't going to put pecans on this, so yeah. That's interesting. I'm trying to learn the swirl. Figuring out ratios, putting an embed in, pushed it around, which was actually kind of cool. That white gets lost. It's almost all the white, which is turned kind of a off-white yellow because the fragrance discolors, and I knew it would, so not like no surprise there. But this, I think I need maybe more base color next time. I'll figure it out. I do like the swirls. And if you like Almond Biscotti, this is your almond soap. I'm not a huge sweet fragrance girl. It's not really my scent, but there's something about this scent that I really like. It smells yummy. Like, it's just yummy. Like it makes me, and I'm not really a fan of biscotti either, but it makes me want to go and eat some. So I'm learning. It's pretty. I like the swirls. I said I actually kind of like how the heart displaced the swirls. I have 4 more batches, I think, that I've designed for the fall soaps in this slab mold, so I'll get more practice with swirls. But yeah, let me know what you think. The almonds.